Log out of Canva, secure Canva logout. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log out of Canva and do a secure logout. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out of Canva, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Canva app. And as you can currently see that I'm signed into my account. So if I want to sign out of Canva, I just need to tap on the three lines option located at the top left of the screen here. Then I'll find my drop down menu over here where I can simply tap on this little option here. And as I do that, a pop-up menu is going to come up here where from the very bottom you'll find a button that says sign out. So if you want to sign out, just tap on the sign out button and then you'll be able to successfully sign out or log out from Canva. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.